Hey guys, Jason Scudellari with CPP, and I'm sitting in our 79 square body, and well, we're starting to freshen up the inside of this truck, starting with a full interior kit from TMI. We went over to Low Car and picked up the window cranks made by Clayton, and the only thing that's now outdated on this truck is the old chrome steering wheel. So what we're going to do is upgrade that with one of our classic black steering wheels. So we're going to start by pulling this one off, getting that new one on. I'll kind of show you real quick how to center it up, but let's get moving. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the hub off, change it into a black steering wheel. I'm not gonna leave the chrome hub on there, so. It's always nice to have a good steering wheel puller. I got our steering wheel, our horn button, and our hub. Be sure that your blinker delete is at 11 o'clock / our horn contact. Get the hub on there loosely. Do not tighten anything up yet because I wanna make sure the wheels are straight, so when I go to put the steering wheel, it's gonna be on straight. What I'm gonna do is pull it outside, drive down the alley a little bit so I know everything is going straight forward. Then I'll line our steering wheel up. And you can do that with the bolts here, or you can go underneath and adjust the tie rods, which is normally gonna be done at your alignment shop, but we already know our alignment's good, so we'll do it here. I'll go ahead and put a couple bolts on the wheel itself. I'm only gonna put 2 in because if I have to rotate the wheel, I don't wanna take out 8 screws. Be sure to put your nut on there. I know we're not going down the street, but at least the steering wheel is secure, so I'll go ahead and pull this out, get the wheel centered where I want it, and we'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. All right, with everything centered up, I'll go ahead and lock the wheel down. Make sure that's not rubbing. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay, put the rest of the screws in. We're gonna go ahead and hook up our horn, first with the ground strap and the supplied hardware. And then we got the actual live wire that comes in here. Uh-oh. So I went to put in the supplied wire for the horn, and the tab wasn't far enough down to lock it in place. So this is for our steering columns. We have a factory steering column in this truck where the pin's a little bit lower. So we'll go ahead and use the factory one, and it will work the same. We'll plug right in also. Here, and I'll go ahead and put the ground strap onto our horn button, and we'll hook the live wire up to that. So before putting the horn button on, it's got a really tight seal with this O-ring. I like to put a little bit of oil around there to press it on there. Also make it a little easier if you have to take it off. And make sure this is the last thing you do. Your wheel's straight, horn's working, everything is ready to go before you put this on, because it is a tight fit and it is a little difficult to get off. Ah, there we go. All right. Got the steering wheel installed. We'll take this thing out on the road and see how it feels. It's been a while since I've driven this truck, and it's comfortable. The seats are real comfortable. I like the look of the new steering wheel. And we also upgraded it with old air quite some time, and it's still blowing nice and cold, so nice hot summer day, and we're nice and comfortable inside the truck. But one thing I really forgot was how well this truck drives. I mean, it's so smooth, and you know, it's got our brake package, steering, and obviously our suspension on it. And we did a conversion in the rear from leaf springs to the truck arm with a coil, which is really, really nice, and it rides really nice. And shoot, it's been probably 15, 16 years since we did those upgrades to the suspension, brakes, and steering. I think we're gonna now do some more upgrades. We're gonna redo the brakes, not because there's anything wrong with them, but I think this has our old control arms with the silver, which we don't even do anymore, and we just wanna freshen everything up, and I think we're gonna convert it over to coilover. So I don't know. The coilovers ride really well, but this thing's so nice and smooth. But we can't leave anything alone. Why would we do that? That'd be boring. So we're gonna get this thing back up on the lift. We'll kind of go through everything that we've already done to it, and from there, start tearing it down again and do some more videos. So stay tuned for that. All right, when you're ready to order your classic car or truck parts, visit classicperform.com or give us a call. If you want to see more videos like this, visit teamcpp.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.